Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. My name is Brandon Walsh. I am going to show you guys some simple ways to make money from home while you're stuck there. You can't get out in this crazy weird time that we're living in. These are simple, easy ways to make money. I have been doing affiliate marketing for a long time online, been very successful with it, and this is a brand new channel for me. So if you guys like what you hear, please comment, please share with your friends, subscribe. I really want to show some people that there is easy ways to make money online, and this is one of them. This is super simple. I'm going to share some advanced stuff on this channel, but these are simple ways, simple sites that you can use, sites and apps that you can use to make on average about $30 an hour online while you're at home. So these are real things. So I hope you guys like this stuff. Comment below too if you have questions. I will try to answer them as best I can. I am a real person and I will take the time to do it. So let's get started. Okay, so if you watch till the very end, I'm going to give you 5 different sites that you can go to, sites and apps where you can make money online. None of these cost anything to get started. They're all totally free. You just have to register. They're all available throughout the world. All you need is a computer and a mic. Some of these prefer that you have a camera as well, but if you don't have a mic or camera, most PCs do. You can just hop on Amazon, buy one real cheap, have it shipped to you. It'll be worth it. This stuff is all pretty easy. They do pay. They've been around a long time, most of these sites. So watch till the end. I got a special little bonus that I want to share with you guys. So let's get started. Okay, so this first site is called userfeel.com. And if you want to get started being a tester on Userfeel, you just go up to this Become a Tester link that you see at the top of the page here. And as you can see, you can become a tester, earn $10 per test. This is a legitimate opportunity. This is, lots of big companies out there want to know what it's like when you use their app or their website, depending on where you are in the world, what language you speak, what kind of browser you have, your operating system, the hardware, and that stuff varies from device to device and from person to person. So they want to see what it's like for you. So you can see $10 per test. If you did 3 tests and they take you 20 minutes, which is on the slower end of things, that'd be $30 an hour. And if you're on the faster end, that could be, 10 times 6, so that's $60 an hour. All you need, well, I'll show you here. What do usability testers do? They conduct usability tests on websites. They help the site owners find bugs. What equipment do you need? All you need is a Windows or a Mac computer, and you need a microphone. Internal like most, that's fine, or external, even the cheapest ones for $2. So they straight up tell you it doesn't have to be great. You don't need a camera on this one. Some of the sites that I'm going to show you are some of them that you'll find as you dig into this this world of usability testing. You'll see that they want to see your reaction as you're browsing the website, which some people are uncomfortable with that, but you have to know it's just a private experience and it's just the company looking at you. So that's really all there is to it. You can read through this, see what they really want you to know before you get started, but real straightforward. They pay you through PayPal, and so that is the first one. That is userfeel.com. You can see it up here, and I'll leave these in the description to have easy access for you at the end. Okay, this next one is called usertesting.com, and you're just going to want to go up to the top. It says get paid to test. You're going to click on that link. That's the page that I'm on now. And you'll see that this one is very similar to the first one. You're going to get up to $60 per test. You're going to just visit a website or an app, so on your phone or your computer, complete a set of tasks, and get paid. So you enter your email to get signed up. It's all through PayPal again. $10 for every 20-minute video you complete. You can see they have a little video that kind of explains it. It's kind of a funny, goofy little video, but it kind of gives you an idea. I'll kind of scroll through this real quick, but you can see they're showing people, they're on their sites, and they're just going through the movements, and they're explaining what they're seeing. You can see as you go through here, they're talking into the mic. Hey, what did I do wrong? This checkout isn't working. And that's the kind of feedback that these sites want to know. So real straightforward. Just click, enter your information, sign up, and you'll be ready to go. That's usertesting.com. Okay. So the next one I want to show you is called TryMyUI. There's a big button right here. You can see it. It says get paid to test. We'll click on that. Be a TryMyUI tester. Get paid to use websites and apps and get their honest feedback. Now this one I believe you need to have a camera for. $10 flat rate for every test you take, 20 minutes. It's kind of nice when you know exactly what they're going to pay you, because some of these sites are different and they post jobs at different times. But this one, again, straightforward through PayPal. And what you want to do is you want to sign up for all of these sites. And the reason is because they don't always have jobs available for everyone every second of the day. So you might have, 2 hours that you set aside to do this during the day to make an extra $60. You want to be signed up on all these to make sure that you have jobs available and that you can work when you want to. So that is TryMyUI.com, and you can sign up for that. This next one I want to show you is called UserLytx. Now, UserLytx has been around for a long time, so you know that this is legitimate. They're going to pay you on time. They're going to have lots of jobs available. And UserLytx has a variable pricing plan. So some of these, they're going to pay you $5. Some you can get up to $90. So I wanted to land on the home page here so that I could show you in the far upper right here, you can see tester sign up. It's kind of hidden, so I wanted to show you where that is. The registration process is the same. You get paid through PayPal. But with this one, what you're going to want to do is they give you some software that you download. And this is one of the sites where they're going to want to see your webcam. You're going to want a microphone. But it is available on Mac. It's available on PC, Android, and iPhone. So you can download those apps in the store. And you're just going to download the app. They're going to take you through instructions just like the other sites. And you're going to give your feedback, speaking to the microphone. They want to see you doing it. And that is UserLytx.com. So that is a very well-known user testing site. And this last one that I wanted to share with you is a little bit more, this isn't for everyone, but you can get paid considerably more. So this is for more your executives, your marketers, people who have some professional experience that can give feedback are highly valued. You can see business owners, average hourly incentive $500. So if you own a business and you have some experience there, software developers. So this one, if you really want to make some great money at home and they have available jobs, that's what you're going to want to do. So it's a little bit more extensive of an application process because they want to make sure that you are who you say you are, so you verify your profile. Then you'll get matched up and you'll get paid. So this one is a really cool one. Respondent, I've used this. And if you have some professional experience, I definitely recommend checking that one out. So I hope you guys liked those sites and apps that I shared with you. I hope you can make some money and they're helpful for you, especially during this crazy quarantine. I am just getting this channel started. It's something I'm really passionate about. I really want to share with people all the things I've learned over 10 years. I was an aerospace engineer prior to discovering online marketing, and then got involved with network marketing, which I am a top leader. You can look up itworks.com. You'll see Brandon and Denise Walsh. We are Black Diamonds, which means we're at the top of the company. And we did that through online marketing. And so I want to share with you guys how I did that. I want to share with you how, I was a top ClickBank affiliate as well. I have so much I want to share. I know this is a simple video, but I wanted to make sure that it was applicable to anyone who was watching. So I am creating a free online course. Well, it'll be free for you. It won't be free for everyone, but if you share this video and if you opt in, you can see at cashonline.co. If you opt in there, you will get free access and you'll be grandfathered in so that for life you'll get free access to this online marketing training. So I really want to kickstart this YouTube channel. This is literally my first video that I've done on here, but I have tons more lined up to share with you guys. So I hope that you like that. Please share it, and you can subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you get notifications every time I post a new video. And thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and I'll have lots more to come soon.